Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 4049P. It's a 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 quad cab with 135 for K. Super nice, clean, sharp looking truck. Alloy wheels, white bumpers, matches the body color. This one is the quad cab, so it does have a little bit smaller of a back seat, but as a result, you do get the nice big 6.5 foot box. The seats do flip up if you need to store some tools or pack outs or anything like that, if you're lugging that kind of thing to and from the job site. Nice topper in the back of the 6.5 foot box, shelving on both driver's and passenger side. Ladder racks can also be mounted up top if need be as well. It's got Chevy's little auto tailgate. This one does have a bed slide, again shelving on both sides. Also a spray and bed liner in here as well. On the back, we've got 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. There's no hitch, but one can be installed if need be. There's a couple different camera options there as well for the backup cam. Tires are pretty well new all the way around as well. 4-wheel drive, low K truck. This one does come with Chevy's 4.3 liter V6. That one's been around for a long time, so you know it's definitely stood the test of time. And everything's nice and clean on this one. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, flip up center console for an extra passenger, vinyl floor, easy to keep clean. Something like this makes a great truck for any sort of contractor, plumbing and heating, HVAC, electrical, especially anybody doing any sort of rural work. You know, having the 4-wheel drive in the wintertime is definitely a nice handy feature to have. Again, stock number 5049, 2021 Chevy Silverado quad cab.